If you want to add GIFs in CapCut Video Editor, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest way to import a GIF, place it on your timeline, layer it over another clip, and even repeat it if you want the animation to last longer. This is a super useful trick for making your edits more fun, more dynamic, and more engaging. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, launch CapCut on your PC and open the editing project you're currently working on. Once your project is loaded, look at the top left control panel and click on the Media tab. This is where CapCut keeps your imported files, so it's the first place you need to go before adding anything new to your edit. Next, find the Import button. Depending on your version of CapCut, this may appear as a plus icon. Click that button to bring in a new file from your computer. A file window will open, and now you just need to locate the GIF you want to use. Select the downloaded .gif file from your local storage, then click Open. If you prefer, there's also an even faster method. You can simply drag and drop the GIF straight from your Windows Explorer or Mac Finder window into the CapCut Media library. This works really well if you already have the file ready and you want to save a few clicks. Once imported, your GIF should now appear inside your Media Assets panel. Now that the GIF is in CapCut, you can add it to your video. Drag it down onto the timeline and place it wherever you want it to appear. If you want the GIF to sit on top of another clip, just drag it onto a higher layer so it overlays the main footage. This is great for adding reactions, stickers, logos, or animated callouts without replacing your main video. After that, you can adjust the length of the GIF by trimming its edges on the timeline. If the GIF is too short and you want it to stay on screen longer, you can also copy and paste it to repeat the animation. That way, you can make the same GIF appear multiple times throughout the video or extend its presence without needing a different file. And that's really all there is to it. Import the GIF, drop it into your project, layer it where you want, and adjust the duration or duplicate it as needed. Once you get used to this workflow, adding GIFs in CapCut becomes a very quick part of your editing process. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.